What's up, everybody? Brian here with Attention to Detail. Video number 2, like I promised earlier. So we're getting ramped up to close up for the holidays, so we're trying to get some vehicles out. So we have the 2023 Model X. This is the new version. Body's pretty much the same way, inside different and stuff like that in software. This is a full wrap with XPEL Fusion with the built-in ceramic coating. Wrap the whole vehicle on this. We also did a inside coating on all leather, coating on all carpet, trim, so it's fully protected on the inside. This will be leaving 10-year warranty, self-healing, best film on the market. Why is it important to get your vehicles protected for the winter? Any time of the year is important, especially the winter though. All of the, still you have the environmental fallout, and then, but what we're dealing with now is salt, and worse than salt is the brine. And it's that liquid that you see those trucks putting on the road. So when that mixes, when it does snow and the slush and stuff, that all mixes chemically. And I'm sure we've all seen it on our vehicles. Black, I find, and white show it the most, but it's almost like this greasy, crappy. It's a different color to it actually. And if that is left on your vehicle, your rims and stuff for a long period of time, it will start, like I talked to you guys about bird poop and bugs and stuff like that, it will start working its way into your clear coat. So that's why it's important to either get paint protection film, which is by far the best and only sure way to protect your vehicle unless something's smashing into you. Then we get into your ceramic coatings, real ceramic coatings, not by a spray bottle. That's going to help protect that. And then you go into what we're doing to this vehicle here. It's almost done, and it is a polymer sealant. And we have polymer sealants out now that usually you'd get about 3 to 6 months. We're tapping into now to 1 year to 2 years on polymer sealants. And that's what this vehicle is getting on by the Rupes polymer sealant, and it's mixed with a nano resin and the polish that we do. So this vehicle was an inside detail, and then wash, clay, and now we're doing the polymer sealant on this. So it's a good protection for the winter at a really entry-level price. This vehicle, inside detail, which it wasn't that bad, took care of everything in there. Then, like I said, the wash, polish, and clay, this comes right out at $325. So it's in an entry-level price, and you're getting a really good protection for the winter from all this stuff. Then, so we got that going on, and then we have the new 2023 Lexus IS 500. This is the sedan. They make it in the coupe as well. This is the last year that this motor is offered, and it's the 8-cylinder in it. Powerhouse. Beautiful looking car. We'll show you more on it, but we're doing an XPEL wrap on this. Window tint. Jose's got the XR Prime ceramic film on that. He's getting ready to lay the back one, and then we're doing also the front windshield. But we'll do, and we got inside being coated as well on this one. So Kenny will be doing a lot of videos on this next week when we get back from the holidays, because it's absolutely stunning on the inside. We're going to pop the hood, check out the engine, but this is a really cool ride. So stay tuned for more stuff on that. We have the new Genesis GV70 that we're wrapping in stealth. That'll be here next week. And a bunch of other vehicles. I forget the list. We're very humbled and blessed that everyone is bringing their cars in for XPEL. Got some more Rivians. Got the new Rivian SUV. Just waiting for that to be dropped off. So there's a lot going on. But on the winter protection, it's very important, guys, to get your rides protected. As you've seen in our previous videos, paint is getting thinner and thinner, and what that means is they also went to a water-based clear coat. That is the clear that goes on top of your paint that gives it the gloss, but it's super thin and now it's water-based. So, like I said, it's like skin. It needs to breathe. Paint moves. It's always breathing. It needs to be moisturized. We have the chemicals here and the products to properly protect your vehicle for all conditions. We are now partnered up with Ammo NYC. We're going to be selling his products here first of the year, so you can now get them from us as well. We're one of only 2 that he's doing that with, so we're very grateful for that. But we have all the products here now, and we have an anti-salt one, and it is amazing. It's going to leave a film behind on your vehicle, and it's going to counteract to the salt and the brine, so it's not going to get to your paint surface and your rims, underneath in your electrical stuff like that. So give us a call at 219-628-0288. Check us out, go to our website, follow our YouTube, smash the like button, Instagram, Facebook, all the shorts. We're growing every day. We got a lot of big things coming. Hope everyone has an awesome and safe holiday. Merry Christmas. Love and happiness. Peace.